We're now going to edit the text in our Canva design. We've already loaded our design into Canva, and now we'll customize certain things like the changing of the name or adjusting the font size or style. So we're first going to start with changing the text. Put your mouse over the text area you wish to edit. A box will appear around the text, indicating it's selectable. Double-click this box to make the text editable, allowing you to type in your custom text. To change the font, select the text you wish to modify, then click on the font drop-down menu in the toolbar. Here you'll find a wide selection of fonts. Browse through them and click on the one you want to apply. If you see a crown next to the icon, it indicates that it's a pro feature only available with a paid Canva plan. Adjusting the text size, you're going to click on the text box to select it. A toolbar will appear at the top of the screen where you can find options to adjust the size. I can enter it directly, or I can use the plus minus to increase or decrease the text size. Also, I can click and drag the corners of the text box to scale the text size visually. Now, if I wanted to change the color of the text, again, I'm going to select the text by clicking on it. Then I'm going to go to the toolbar on the top, and I'm going to go to the A with the color line displaying the colors of the font. Click on this icon to open the color options. You can choose from pre-selected colors, use the document colors already in your design, or click on the plus sign to open the color palette. Enter a particular code, use the slider, or adjust by choosing from the custom color selection. If I want to style the text, in that same toolbar, I have the option to bold, italicize, underline, and create a strike-through effect on the text. If any of these icons are grayed out, it means the font you've chosen does not support the style. I can also transform the text to all caps or all lowercase with a single click. If I want a combination of both, then I would keep it on lowercase. I wouldn't click on the uppercase button. I can also adjust my alignment. The toolbar offers options for left, justified, right, and center. You could also use bullet points. Click on the bullet point icon in the toolbar, and I can have a bullet point, a numbered list, or go back to how it was. Another thing that really helps with your design is adjusting the letter spacing, and that is in the spacing section of the toolbar. So I can enter it directly, or I can adjust the letter spacing with the slider. Just below the letter spacing, there's an option for line spacing. Use the slider or enter the number directly to adjust the space between the lines to ensure your text is easy to read and aesthetically pleasing. In the next video, I show you how to change the background color and texture of your design.